Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a tool that takes simple links and turns them into powerful marketing assets. It's called Switchy, and right now you can grab it as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. If you've ever used Bitly or another URL shortener, Switchy is like that on steroids, with features designed to help you boost clicks, retarget your audience, and track performance, all while saving a ton of money. So what exactly is Switchy? Think of it as a smart link management platform. Instead of just shortening links, Switchy lets you brand them, track them, and even retarget people who click them. Basically, it turns your links into a marketing channel you control. First up, branded short links. Instead of sharing something ugly like bit.ly/random numbers, you can use your own domain like linkyourbrand.com. It looks clean, builds trust, and instantly makes your business look more professional. Next, retargeting pixels. Every time someone clicks your link, Switchy can drop a pixel so you can follow up with ads on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Google. That means even if they don't buy right away, you can bring them back later with targeted campaigns. You'll also love the analytics. Switchy shows you who's clicking, where they're from, what device they're on, and more, all in real time. And if you're running campaigns, you can even split test links with A/B testing to see which one drives more conversions. And for creators, there's smart pages. Think link in bio pages, but fully customizable with your branding, logos, and call to actions. Perfect for Instagram, TikTok, or anywhere you want to send people to multiple destinations. Now here's why people are stacking this deal like crazy. Most link management platforms charge hefty monthly fees. Bitly, for example, can cost hundreds per year, but with AppSumo, you can lock in Switchy for a one-time payment starting at just $39. That gives you 30,000 clicks per month, 8 custom domains, and smart pages included. And if you need more, you can stack extra codes for higher limits, up to 120,000 clicks per month and 32 custom domains. And of course, it's all covered by AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. So if you're serious about boosting conversions and getting more from every click, Switchy is definitely worth checking out. I'll leave a link to the deal in the description below. Don't wait too long though. AppSumo lifetime deals don't last forever. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews of SaaS tools and lifetime deals. See you in the next one.